How to contact Orca Card Customer Support. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video, I'm going to talk about how can you contact the Orca Card Customer Support. In order to reach the Orca Card Customer Support for the help or the questions, you can use the following methods. First of all, you can contact the Orca Customer Service by the phone. The phone number for the Orca Customer Service is typically found on the official Orca website or on the back of your Orca card. The phone number may vary depending on your location. Some transit agencies offer email support for the Orca card related questions. Check the official Orca website for the contact details or the instructions on the emailing their customer support team. Many transit agencies may provide an online contact form for submitting the questions or concerns about your Orca card. Visit the official Orca website and contact us or support section in order to access the online contact form. Certain transit agencies offer customer support through the social media platforms. See if the agency managing your Orca card has active social media accounts such as Twitter or Facebook and send them a direct message with your question. If you prefer in-person assistance, you can visit a customer support center or a ticket office run by the transit agency overseeing the Orca card program. Refer to the official Orca website for the locations and operating hours of these customer service centers. For traditional mail communication, you can send a letter to the transit agency managing the Orca card program. Remember to include your contact information and details about your questions or the problem. When contacting Orca Card Customer Support, it is really useful to have your Orca card number or any relevant details about your question or problem on the hand. This will aid the customer support team in assisting you more effectively. And also be ready to provide your contact information to follow up regarding your question. So this was all about on how to contact the Orca Card Customer Support. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.